Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. Sorry that there wasn't any mom vlog yesterday. My computer is broken with all my old footage that I planned for all of November. So I spent my day yesterday actually replanning all my November content, and you guys will be getting mom vlogs from now on. I'll make sure of it. But in today's video, I wanted to talk about all the flooding that has been happening in Jamaica, sending you guys and showing you guys some clips. And if you guys have any family members, please call them, please support them, because I'm sure it's a very hard time right now for them. So let's get into these clips.
See it, yeah? Block off, Newcastle Road, block off, bombard, Rastaman, oh, see it, yeah? Live feed, anything, they are town, stay at town, anything, anything that's town, stay at town, anything they are Newcastle, stay at Newcastle, or Portland, live feed. Live feed. The guy out, you know. Now, if I'm more than a kid, you know. I want no bridge clear down the highway. I want no bridge clear down the oh, my. The same gun in the other wall.
One water come through, I also want to come through Steve also.
Yeah, so it's going to go to labor.
This is very urgent in Garden Town. The main road in Garden Town is gone. Look at it. The main road is gone. The main road in Garden Town is gone completely at this moment. Everything is gone. It's just a walking track they leave on the main road. We need National Work Agency emergency. We need Miss Oldness. We need the Prime Minister. The main road in Garden Town has gone.
Roger, look there, man. Right. Whole I place and drop out. Everywhere.
Don't bother come back at 9-9. Don't bother come back at 9-9. Don't bother the bridge.
Look down when I'm going. That's it. Yeah. We are going. Johnny, what's it? River. Road. People watch out. See things are going to. Yeah, it wasn't show no go on. Show no go on. People. And then they were dying.
Say now, come up. Put your hand here.
You see it? Daddy.
Oh, Daddy! Outside! Outside the dog there, lick your foot.
What him a did? He can't swim. He can't swim? Jerry can't swim?
You mean, who next?
When next? But I know that not dip.
Them the one they walk over so but man to dig video thing, you know. Them can't turn up good. How are Papa there?
How are him gone?
Papa James will go off.
Where's Papa James?
Wait, I done that.
When I see it, yeah? Block off, Newcastle Road, block off. Bombard! Rastaman! Oh! See it, yeah? Live feed. Anything, they are town, stay at town. Anything, anything that's town, stay at town. Anything they are Newcastle, stay at Newcastle. Or Portland. Live feed. Live feed.
This is it. They're gonna every update, people. Every update me are going. I hope I'm out that me are here.
Yes, alright.
Work for the broadcasting media. All of them.
Watch out! Bombard! Yo! Bombard! No, sir. This needs crowd. This one crowd to blood clot. No. Could I carry the jail? Jesus. You know you have to keep an eye for so could
So, that video that you just saw was of a police officer fighting with a woman and a guy. Honestly, sometimes I feel sorry for these police officers in Jamaica because they have a very hard job because Jamaican people tend to be unruly, but this was not called for. I guess they didn't have a permit, and this is what the alleged information is. They didn't have a permit to actually sell the fruits that they had there, and he was going there to confiscate the fruit and put it in the police van, and the woman was trying to take the fruit from him or make sure he don't get the fruit. I guess because this is her money, this is how she's supporting her family, and the guy allegedly beside her is her son. The police officer began to push the lady and try to drag the fruit basket out of her hands, and it got to a point where the boy, so that's his mother, he has every right to step in. It's natural, it's going to be fight or flight for that boy. And it says an investigation have been ordered into the circumstances of an incident captured in a video that has been brought to our attention involving one of our members in a confrontation with two members of the public. We will provide a full update as soon as possible. In the meantime, we're asking persons with information or witnesses to the incident to make contact with the Inspectorate and Professional Standard Oversight Bureau at 876-838-308-848. And I'm imploring anybody, the person that actually recorded that video, the person that was there, that seen that incident, please tell them what you saw, because that police officer do not need to be interacting with people. Don't need to be interacting with civilians. He need to stay in desk duty and stay there, or even be suspended. There need to be some form of punishment. You can't hang up poor people. So I would understand if he say, yo, gonna have your life and don't have no permit, I may have to go take away on something, but fighting the woman for her stuff is taking it to a whole nother level. So that is what I have to say about this incident. What are your thoughts on the incident? Do you think the police officers were right? Do you think the civilians were right for trying to fight him off for their food? You know, it's a pandemic and people are trying to earn money any way they can. What are your thoughts? Do you think he needs to be suspended? Do you think he doesn't need to be suspended? Do you think he needs to be put on desk duty because he does not know how to deal with the general public? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. And I'm gonna try give you guys 3 commentary videos this week to make up for the lost mom vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.